What's up guys, my name is Andy. In this video, I'm gonna be installing a new fiberglass Snug-Fit bumper on the back of my 66 Mustang. I've been doing a bunch of parts to get this car prepped for paint, and this is just another part that I wanted to get done on the car. One of the reasons why I chose this is because this is supposed to be a Snug-Fit style, so that if you look at here how much of a gap there is around the bumper and the way it fits, it never fit great from the factory. In fact, all Mustangs are like this. And so the nice thing about this bumper is the way this is designed, it's meant to fit closer into this cutout back here and should, again, snug fit right up to the car. Now, because this is fiberglass and not steel, like the one that's on the car, you know, if I get in an accident or whatever, that more damage could happen to the car as this will just disintegrate. But that's just part of what I'm doing with this car, and a chance I'm gonna have to take. So anyways, this is something that is really easy to install. As you can see here, there's only 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on the bottom. We're gonna just unbolt the stock one, bolt this one in, and, and away we go. It's gonna be pretty simple. So let's get started. So to get to the bolts that are holding the bumper on, we're just gonna have to pop open the trunk, and inside here are just the 2 bolts that we're gonna get to. There's one right there and one over there. Underneath this wire, here we go. We're gonna just take both of those out on each side and the bumper will just come right off. So here's just a quick comparison of the 2 bumpers. Notice how these holes are offset. Same thing with these studs that are fixed to the inside of the bumper. And then on the holes here on the back of the car, they're offset. So the nice thing about this is this particular bumper that's already set up, these things are already installed, ready to go, and they're at the correct offset or whatever you want to call it. So it should just fit right into place. So let's get it fitted up there. Okay, so just kind of align those in the holes there and there. Kind of push it up in place. Oh yeah, now, and you can see how this fits a lot more, again, snug fit. The other bumper, the way that one was fitting on here, there was a massive gap in there, and this is not a perfect exact fit. Of course, every car is a little bit different, and depending on your skill level, you might be able to add a little more fiberglass to this to kind of get it to feather in better with the side of the quarter panel here. But everything else, this is a better fit than I was expecting it to be, because fiberglass parts tend to be very loosey-goosey, one size fits all kind of a thing, and I think this fits really good. Let's get it bolted into place. This is the included hardware that comes with these studs, but I'm going to get just a little bit larger fender washer on here first, just to distribute this a little bit better, because that hole's kind of large and I didn't want this washer to sink in there, so we'll just go like that, just distribute a little bit better, and then we put these supplied nuts on. And when you're looking outside on the end of the bumper, you want to be checking the fit, how everything's lined up in there. The gap, could be a little bit better, but you can kind of move this around and tighten that nut and washer down as you get to the fitment that you like. And I'm not tightening these down all the way. I'm just snugging them down so I can go back and kind of fine tune and fit this bumper to just how I want it. Because if you tighten on one side, then you can't move anything. Yeah, I take this back off because I'm finding that the way this comes around the bottom of the taillight here, it's rubbing on the fiberglass and it's making the bumper not fit like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna just take a little bit off of here. And this is just kind of part of the game, right? You just gotta trim these a little bit and just kind of work them so that it'll fit in the right spot. Yeah, see, I just took a file and just carved down some of that so that it fits around the taillight here. And so, and this, you know, I've had to take this off and on a couple times just to see. Yeah, see, now that fits a lot tighter. Could do a little bit more, but yeah, that's more what we were looking for. All right, so now it's installed. Hopefully for the last time. You know, again, it's just a lot of off and on, taking it off and file a little bit and get it to fit right and get to where you're happy with it. Yeah, it's a lot better than it was before. And again, I had to file against some of the edge inside here because of where it was resting against the car. And I'm at the limits of I'm not a body guy. I do think it looks a lot better than the chrome bumper that was on there, but again, I'm at my limits of what I can do and trying to figure out how to get it to fit right. But so far, I'm very happy with it. All right, guys, so that is a Snug-Fit bumper installed on the back of the car. Again, just another thing that I'm getting chipped away on the list of things I need to do before I get the car ready for paint. And I'm happy how it came out. I think it looks really good. I'm anxious to see how everything looks when it's all painted and done, so awesome. All right, that's it, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.